Setting up multi-country payroll can be a hassle, but with Oyster, it's made incredibly simple. In this quick guide, we'll walk through exactly how you can streamline your global payroll system using Oyster, a powerful platform designed for remote teams. First things first. Oyster allows you to pay employees in multiple countries, making it ideal for businesses expanding internationally or working with remote teams around the world. You don't need to navigate the complexities of each country's tax laws or payroll regulations yourself. Oyster handles it all. To get started, sign up for Oyster and create an account. It's an easy process, and you can start using the software completely free from the link below, along with some exclusive bonuses you won't find elsewhere. Once your account is set up, you'll be ready to begin adding employees from various countries. Here's the fun part. When you add a new employee, Oyster will guide you through selecting the country they are located in, which automatically adjusts the payroll system for that country's specific tax rules and labor laws. No need to worry about compliance, as Oyster takes care of everything, whether it's deductions, tax calculations, or benefit management. Once you've added your employees, you can manage payroll from a single dashboard. You'll have access to all the necessary details, salary, pay frequency, and tax information, without having to deal with different systems or spreadsheets for each country. Oyster makes it easy to issue payments in local currencies and track all payments seamlessly. This is especially helpful when managing a multi-country team with varying currencies. Another feature that stands out is Oyster's employee benefits integration. For companies that offer health benefits, pension plans, or other perks, Oyster can handle it all within the same platform, ensuring employees are enrolled and that all legal requirements are met. Again, based on the country's regulations. It's a one-stop solution for remote global teams. Now let's talk about how Oyster keeps things running smoothly. If you ever need help, they have excellent customer support and an in-depth knowledge base. You can always rely on them to solve problems quickly, so your payroll process remains efficient, error-free, and compliant with each country's laws. As a bonus, Oyster allows you to generate tax reports and other documentation directly from the platform, which is crucial for audits and year-end filings. You won't have to manually create reports for each jurisdiction, which saves valuable time for your HR and finance teams. And the best part, you can try out Oyster with our exclusive extended free trial. Just follow the link below to get started. This means you can explore everything Oyster has to offer without any initial cost, and see just how easy it is to set up multi-country payroll for your team. So, whether you're scaling your global team or just starting to pay employees internationally, Oyster makes it seamless. Don't miss out. Get your extended free trial today and experience the future of payroll management.